What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you a super easy way to screen record your screen in just a couple clicks. So once you hit print screen on your keyboard, there's going to be a pop-up. Unfortunately, my screen software won't let me record that for you. However, it's going to look something like this, a bit smaller in the top middle of your screen. It's going to be auto-selected on the picture snip, but you want to move it over to the camera to snip. Or something that hits start. So I just have to hit new. From there, it's going to select your area, do a little selection, hit start for sure and just record. It gives you a little timer. Record as long as you want. Stop it when you're done. It's going to give you this window. Save it, and that's it. If for some reason it's not set up and you're getting a different kind of print screen window, you can go to Windows settings. Shortcut for that is Windows I to open your settings. From here, you're going to go down to the bottom to accessibility. Then you're going to scroll down to keyboard. From keyboard, the second section on the bottom, use the print screen key to open screen capture. You want to make sure that is on, and that's when you're going to be getting that little window that you see at the top here. And that's it. Hope it helps you out. See you guys next time.